This is the Thermomix TM7, Vorwerk's most ambitious smart kitchen appliance yet. Over 6 years in the making, it packs a massive 10-inch multi-touch display, AI-powered ingredient detection, 20 cooking functions, open-lid cooking modes, and a 2.2-liter cool touch bowl that keeps you safe and hands-free. Today, we're going deep on every detail. Design, hardware, new features, real-world tests, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it truly replaces your blender, mixer, and standalone gadgets. Buckle up, this is the ultimate TM7 deep dive. Let's rewind. The Thermomix story began in the 1960s, but it wasn't until the TM5 in 2014 and the TM6 in 2019 that millions of home cooks discovered guided cooking. Now, 6 years later, the TM7 arrives. Vorwerk invested over 170 million euros into R&D, computer vision engineers, and revamped manufacturing to get here. Why does that matter? Because smart kitchens are the next frontier. From Wi-Fi ovens to app-connected sous vide sticks, every brand is racing to automate cooking. But the Thermomix is unique. It combines precision weighing, heating, mixing, and now AI. Out of the box, the TM7 exudes quality. The matte black chassis is a departure from previous silver tones. It feels modern and low profile. You get a cook key holder, power cable, the 2.2-liter stainless steel bowl, the new aroma steaming tray with 45% more capacity, spatula, butterfly whisk, swimming basket, and the lid with integrated scales. Everything snaps together with satisfying clicks. Play is vivid, the bezel is minimal, and the entire unit sits solidly on the countertop. At 8.6 kilograms, it's heavier than the TM6, but the integrated rear wheels make repositioning surprisingly effortless. The new Cool Touch bowl means you can lift the bowl moments after cooking without oven mitts. Small detail, big difference. Let's talk UI. The 10-inch screen is almost edge-to-edge and the brightness adjusts dynamically to ambient light. Menus are organized by category. Starters, mains, desserts, breads, over 100,000 recipes in Cookidoo, sorted by difficulty, dietary need, and prep time. Navigation is snappy. Swipe, pinch zoom, and tap. During guided cooking, the steps appear as full-screen cards with progress bars and estimated time remaining. A new on-screen scale overlay shows real-time weight data even in guided mode, so you can pause, add spices, and resume seamlessly. Beneath the slick exterior is a 1500 watt AC motor tuned for low vibration and noise. At speed 2 or below, it's almost silent. You could cook early morning risotto without waking the house. Vorwerk claims up to 20% noise reduction versus the TM6. Now the fun part, the 20 cooking functions. You've got chopping, mixing, blending, kneading, whipping, sauteing, swimming, sous vide, fermentation, and of course our new duo. Browning, caramelized onions and meats up to 160 degrees Celsius with a lid off or propped. Lid off cooking. Perfect for one-pot pasta and risottos without worrying about venting. For the pros, it's got a massive responsive 10-inch touchscreen with pinch to zoom. And the 2 new cooking modes plus AI-assisted ingredient suggestions are just phenomenal. The manual weighing guided mode doesn't need to scale anymore, and it's got a cool touch bowl, a larger aroma, and a much quieter motor. For the cons though, it is pretty pricey, coming in at around 1,500 euros, it's heavier and bulkier than the TM6, and it's not compatible with the TM6 accessories like Thermomix Friend. So, who is this TM7 for? If you're a tech-savvy cook, busy family, or content creator craving consistency and innovation, this is your countertop commander. Thanks for watching this exhaustive TM7 deep dive. Drop your questions below, hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for weekly gadget reviews, and smash that bell so you never miss out on an upload. Until next time, stay curious, stay cooking. Peace.